Blacker than black, Renza again. You already know what time it is, you know? Listen, what me I say, I'm fix that camera so we can see the lighting. Yeah. Like me say in the last video, Jamaica don't lack no talent, none at all. We know that. Definitely not lack talent in no shape or form. So, and every few years, right, Jamaica give the world a superstar. See? Remember when even Elephant Man had it? Like, the man actually, I can tell you, Elephant Man get one of the biggest run in a dancehall. I feel, when we really think back on it, like, yo, the man can tell a story about even Michael Jackson, Janet Jackson, everybody. See? P. Diddy and them man, they sign him, the bad boy. See? You understand what I say? The money that creates such a frenzy, upon the river, upon the bank. You know what I mean? All kind of stuff, man. Like, it was so much music. The man had so much. You know what I say? What happened? What happened? Yeah, don't tell me. Yeah. But like somebody tell me what happened. You know what I mean? The business, brother. Gone right back to the business again, brother. You know what I mean? We have to own the catalog. I'm not talk about all of us, brother. We have to own the catalog. See? We already are make nice in Jamaica, you know? So I seek them have to come seek we out, you know that, right? They gotta come and seek us out in Jamaica. See? Because we're making so much nice, and the nice end up come over here and go to England and Canada and Africa. See? You understand what I say? See? Yeah. Trust me. So, the thing is, I have to own the thing. We have to have a good team behind us. See? Understand contracts. See? Don't just sign anything, bro. Especially, let me say this, especially when you got leverage. See? We just call Elephant Man name, but because I just remember him. Like, the left. Listen, man, Elephant Man, 106 and Park. Believe me. Shut it down. MTV, shut it down. You understand me? Yeah. The man have the place lock. You hear me? I tell you now? I try to get the saying. Yeah, the man have the place lock, man. Lock off. Lock. We had the place lock to a certain limit where you wonder like, yo, when am I go done? See, and the man said, me believe him, he was that big. The man did that big where Michael Jackson. Him say Michael Jackson want to talk to him, and I think Janet Jackson gave him the phone. I forgot where he's gave him the phone, but you know. Yeah. I'm telling you, man. I tell you, so it's like we have to own the masters. See? You understand me? We have to own the catalog. See? Can't stress this enough, I'm telling you. See? We have to get business lawyers. See? We have to understand contracts. See? You understand me? Why? May I leave the comment? Leave it in the comment. More want to tell me why these things happen. Why we can't? Why we have so much superstar? See? And I just certain man stick Sean Paul and Shaggy and you know what I mean? Why? See? Look on Vegas, the man man, they get it couple times, well, brother, but what happened? See? What happened? It no stick, brother. See? Conscience and them, man, it no stick. See? You understand me? But my sister enough of the youth, them are wise up and I understand certain things. Because guess what? We never know. See? We just come in at the game and say, yo, you know, yeah, there's some tune. You see me? So I'm not bash no man. I'm not bashing nobody. I'm not acting like I know everything. I'm still learning. But I understand certain things and how the thing work. You understand me? Yeah. See? Jamaica talented, brother. We could even sign dancers. It's a lot of we need a industry, bro. We need an industry, brother. Look, man, we not mean for, but look at how Burna Boy them, brother. Burna Boy $500,000. Him want, you know. Me hear, you know. And private jet and all these things. You think them think they are normal thing. That is nothing normal. So yeah? You understand me? So, and be honest with you, our music derive from these things, bro. No, them music they derive from our music. You got Africa and them tell us say, yo, Jamaica, them say. See, Jamaica, a little island. Me nah try talk none for nobody else place. Cause I love the whole of the country them. You know what I mean? I love to visit Africa and the whole of them, all of the country them. You know what I mean? Yeah. But me just show you, we talk about Jamaica, man. It's a lot of things we need to sort out. Me nah bash my country. I love the country. My country have so much potential, bro. See? But we need business behind the music, bro. Stop make them come to Jamaica, come sign the artists them and then shelf them, bro. Black, that is another thing we're gonna talk about. Blacker than black. Renzo.